With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A is a set containing n elements. A subset P of A is chosen at random. The set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of P. A subset Q is again chosen at random. The probability that Q contains just one element more than P is. So what we have given here, that A is a set which is containing n elements and a subset P of A that is chosen at random, and the set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of P. P is what? Subset. Now a subset Q is again chosen at random. Then the probability that Q contains just one element more than P will be, so that we have to find. So first what we have given, that the set A has n elements, so it has 2 raised to the power n subsets. So first the set A has n elements, so it has how many subsets? 2 raised to the power n subsets. And we have seen that it is given in the question that P and Q both are the subset of this set. So the probability of chosen P and Q will be, that will also be 2 raised to the power n C1 ways. So set P can be chosen in 2 raised to the power n C1 ways. Similarly, set Q can be chosen in 2 raised to the power n C1 ways. So now if we will find together that P and Q, that in how many number of ways it can be chosen, so we will multiply both the number of ways of both P and Q. So set P and Q can be chosen in how many ways? In 2 raised to the power n C1 into 2 raised to the power n C1 ways. So we get 2 raised to the power n into 2 raised to the power n, which is what? 4 raised to the power n ways. So now if P contains R elements, then Q will also contain R plus 1 elements. The next element that will be in Q. So if P contains R elements, then Q must contain how many elements? R plus 1 element, because it will contain the next element of P. And in this case, the number of ways of choosing P and Q will become, NCR into NCR plus 1, where R should be greater than n equals to 0 and less than n equals to n minus 1. So thus the number of ways of choosing P and Q in general will become the number of ways of choosing P and Q will become summation n minus 1, where R is equals to 0, and NCR into NCR plus 1, which is equals to 2NC n minus 1. Hence the required probability we get, the final probability we get 2NC n minus 1 divided by as we have find how many number of ways, total number of ways that P and Q be chosen, that is 4 raised to the power n ways. So divide by 4 raised to the power n. So the required probability is 2n c n minus 1 divided by 4n. So our correct option is D option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.